next batch of bronze medal winners. Okay, that's it. You don't get to worry about your flag until you've got your medal. Right. Enough? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Could you make your way off the stage, please? This way. This way. Thank you very much. And now, you really are exhausted, and so you must go and rest, and then presentation party B can come on stage. Thank you. Everybody please face the front. Okay. And turn round and get your medals, please. Okay. Now spread right out. Please, come right over here. Move left. No? Yeah, with 5. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. If you leave this way, please. You've had enough, haven't you? Off you go. Please. This is 2, and that's your loss. Very good. And look just this way. Good. Very good. Now turn. Turn. Okay. Move forward and to the left. Okay. Spread out. Yeah. Nice. Thank you very much, students. Could you leave that way? And could the presentation party also leave that way? Thank you. And can we have presentation party F, please?